Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back. This will be the first video of our forensic series, and as mentioned in the previous videos, one of the major changes in picoCTF is the difficulty level. Initially, it was categorized as points, but now we can filter out using easy, medium, and hard. So we'll be first tackling forensic, and then we'll go with easy. In forensic category, most of the challenges or commonly challenges involve a zip file or images like steganography, and we have most challenges are finding or cracking passwords of zip file or finding hidden data inside images. Let's tackle verify. So you can launch instance using start instance button, and uh, additional details will be shown here. So what you can do is you can access the files from here, or you can access it via SSH, which is secure shell. So let us so we will have to accept the fingerprint, and we have to enter the password. The password is provided here. This password may be different, and we should be able to see all the files here. So if you download the zip file challenge.zip, it will have the same files as shown. Let's read through the problem. People keep trying to trick my players with imitation flags. I want to make sure they get the real thing. I'm going to provide SHA-256 hash and a decrypt script to help you know that my flags are legitimate. Let's analyze each of the files. So let's check. So we have a checksum, which is a SHA-256, and let's check decrypt.sh, which is a shell file. So this shell file is basically telling if you have a valid flag. So there are a lot of files inside the files folder. So what we can do is, if we check decrypt.shell, expected usage is just providing a file name in front of decrypt.sh. So we will do that. We will run decrypt.sh and files, and there will be a lot of files. So let's start with C. 0. So bad magic number, failed to decrypt, this flag is fake. So basically we have to keep looking into all the files to verify which is the correct flag. And how we can verify is we can verify the flag using the checksum which is given. So now what we'll do is, let me copy this for now. So we'll copy it. So we can see the documentation of SHA-256 like this. So basically we will have to provide a file name, SHA-256 some files, and so basically it is providing the SHA-SUM value of the file from checksum.txt. We'll copy this, and now we can filter using pipe symbol grep, and we can search this. If it is true, it will show, otherwise it won't show. It didn't show, it means this is not our file. But we don't have to like manually look for each and every file. What we can do is we can just pass asterisk files. So basically we are saying that generate checksum for all the files inside this folder, inside this directory, and filter out searching this, because if we did only this, so let me just do this, it will generate and show everything. So we will just run the command and filter out using grep, and we got the file. So let's copy entire. Now we can run the shell file by passing the actual file, and this gives us our flag. So we can copy this, paste it here, and tada, we have solved the challenge. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.